Raise your mugs and slam them down. The forge is hot, the ale is brown. Whoa, and steel in hand and fire aglow, we drink, we fight, we strike a blow. So hammer high and tank and swing. Let mountain halls with laughter ring. We dig, we drink, we stand so tall. No foe nor thirst shall see us fall. The mines are deep, the work is long, but ale is strong, so sing the song. With golden coins and gems so bright, we drink and feast all through the night. So hammer high and tankard swing. Let mountain halls with laughter ring. We dig, we drink, we stand so tall. No foe nor thirst shall see us fall. The goblins creep, the trolls they roar, but none shall reach our iron door. With axe and shield and battle cry, we drink and fill, then do or die. So hammer high and tankard swing. Let mountain halls with laughter ring. We dig, we drink, we stand so tall. No foe nor thirst shall see us fall. To stone and steel, to kill and cheer. May dwarven hearts know naught but beer. The goblins creep, the trolls they roar, but none shall breach our iron door. With axe and shield and battle cry, we drink and fill, then do or die. So hammer high and tankard swing. Let mountain halls with laughter ring. We dig, we drink, we stand so tall. No foe nor thirst shall see us fall. Through stone and steel, to kin and cheer. May